Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Lutron Caseta scenes with Alexa and HomeKit, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started, ensure your Lutron Caseta system is fully installed and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap on the More tab located in the lower right corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu. In the search bar, type Lutron. Select the Lutron Caseta skill from the search results. Tap on Enable to Use to link your Lutron account. Follow the prompts to log in with your Lutron account credentials. Once linked, return to the Alexa app home screen. Tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. Choose Add Device. Select Light and then Lutron. Your devices will automatically be discovered. To create a scene in Alexa, go back to the Devices tab. Tap on Groups and then Create Group. Name your group according to the scene you want to set. Add the lights or devices you wish to include in that scene. Save the group once everything is included. Next, open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Ensure your device is on the same Wi-Fi network as your Lutron system. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Select Add Scene from the drop-down menu. Choose Create New Scene. Name your scene accordingly. Tap Add Accessories to include your Lutron devices. Select the lights or shades that will be part of this scene. Adjust the settings for each device within the scene. Once satisfied, tap Done to save your scene. With both Alexa and HomeKit set up, you can test each scene. Simply say, Alexa, turn on scene name for Alexa. For HomeKit, say, Hey Siri, activate scene name. Ensure your devices respond correctly. Feel free to modify your scenes anytime through either app. Now, enjoy the convenience of controlling your Lutron Caseta scenes with Alexa and HomeKit effortlessly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.